Jam presents filime yiswe nde mukanure cyane Bahise Flight 666 Radio gatandatu eshatu Illuminata ko filime tuyitangiye mwari mumaze icyo mubwira ngo Sankara gohora goze mwicare mu ryo namwe mugoro twite iyi filime ntabwo wemere kuyireba tanya batwereka mu cyo atandukanye umugabo zagenda gazitega abakobwa mukanure cyane gati iyo umuntu gatandatu eshatu shaburangira mu ubwoba iyo mbonye gatandatu eshatu mwari mumaze icyo mubwira ngo Sankara wagiye kuri YouTube yes ndiyo muzajya musanga ibiganiro by'ubwenge YouTube channel yanjye na Idini Sankara da prime abantu banje mugere mukore subscribe mugere mu support nyabona mu gishiriga nyabona erega nimwe muntuze buri ubwo mutama menshi areka mukore subscribe kuri YouTube channel yacu tujye dukomeza tubane buri hamwe hose mama kuragezweho kujye filime yiswe Friday 666 cyangwa se indege gatandatu banda yari tujya mu ndege hari indege zavaga namwe zerekeza handi uriya mbare gatandatu mu witondere babanza kubahereza amazi cyaro meze neza huko muzira ari by'indege yo meze neza bari bafite ubwoba rugamba yatinye tujya kugenda mu ndege.
Ladies and gentlemen, cabin crew, please remain.
Ati bagore namwe bagabo yini cabin crew mugwe muri mu gicaro byanyu. Hari inkuba mu kirere nyinshi cyane n'imvura ni nyinshi mwambara imikandara yanyu.
Belt signs on for the time being.
Ati baye byiza mwamufunze imikandara kare mwicare mwigame. Ikirere turimo nagare cyiza harimo inkuba nyinshi n'imiraba n'imiyaga myinshi.
Keep those seat belts fastened.
Ati rwose seat belts muzifunganiza cyane.
So much for your patience.
Rwose mwakoze bwo kwihangana. Ati cyose mwakenera rwose murambwira nitujya mu kirere cyiza murakomeza rwose mwicare mu ngo mwari bisanzwe. Bafite makuba. Hakurya mugenzi inkuba ni nyinshi mu kirere.
Can you check the ATIS?
Wabonye ATIS cyangwa
The weather report, see when we might break through.
Mane dufasha inaho tugiye ku kibuga cy'indege dusanga ikirere kimeze neza. Mane gafite ubwoba. Ana arabari mugezi bari maragira telefone nazo zirazima network zirabura. Bano ni ba flight attendant nabo barangije nko pilot ababwiye ati mwese muhambira imikandara yanyu. Bagenda baramu dufitoni couple
photos.
He never has.
Kuchabye batajya baseka mu mafoto nako bajya bakunda guseka. Kubera ikisi?
I don't know.
Tore bari mafoto abaseka.
Even in my baby photos, he would just like hold me.
Ati rwaza na papa ndo mafoto yanjye kera nteruye yabagarakaye.
And just be like, probably something I did.
Ya ni uko yimereye papa wanjye. Ukiri n'umwana cyane. Harogora umuzara kujyana wabo batakwishimiye akakubeshya ko batajya baseka. Akora no ku mama yishimiye.
They did not.
Akose abyeyi baranyanga cyangwa.
Hate you.
Ntago bakwanga sheri.
That's just how they are.
Oh, you're just saying that?
Ntago navuze ko banyanga gusa nyine.
You?
Sheri urabona ndagukunda.
Because I love you, they love you too.
Dore kuba ngukunda n'abyeyi banje baragukunda.
And even if they hate your guts, they're still 2,600 miles away.
Sheri je wibitinda udusigaje mayiro nkeya tukageraho tugiye. Mukobwa yari magendere budufoto.
Well, Raisinette loved me.
Mane mwe nawe Raisinette yari yankunze.
Yeah.
Mane yari shimije cyane.
Shit going on in my brain doesn't matter.
Ati biri mu binekerezo zawe n'azabana nago bingombwa. Ariko nuko ibintu byose bimeze neza.
Smiling.
Yeah.
Kandi warakoze kubwo kumwenyura.
My pleasure.
N'iby'agaciro. Ni couple ariko indege barimo. Indege hey! Ikirere kimeze nabi. Ba pilot baracanganye nayo. Hari ikintu banara. Nacyahindutse.
Unavoidable. Projections are all over the place.
Projections ziri buramwe hose.
MCs.
Ariko rwose hano kuri MCC nacyo ndimo ndabona.
Great.
Nagataburo kabagari mera pilot bari pilot batwara ari babiri. Ariko babagenda bafashanya.
This thing is following us.
Ariko mazari kintu kudukurikirana ban. Indege buro control mu kirere. Maniga hakuno. Ariko arukanza no nzogera kujya rero ko bamumufasha hano abari nzogera. Ba flight attendant. Yewe ni 25 genda umurebe. Buriya mu ndege abantu umuntu aba yicaye kurya kandi akunzogera bakabaza ko iki kumufasha. Yega?
Yes sir, what can I do for you?
Nagufasha iki?
Please tell the pilot to not crash the plane.
Ndakwizanya ubwire pilot atagongesha indege. Atakrashingisha.
Show you that he's already considered.
Ay byarabizi rwose.
In the same flight as me.
Sinzi bana abantu badafite ubwoba nkanje.
Can I get you something?
Ushakira ikintu cyo kunywa nk'amazi.
My medicine.
Hari imiti mfite mu gikapu.
It's in my bag.
iri mu gikapu
Sure, is it in your carry-on?
akaza ndebere igikapu wakiza mu kanyano
Suitcase.
oya ni muri varisi nini
Oh, sir, if you checked your luggage at the airport,
ati rwose ne utabereye kuri airport
Can't get-
ngo bafashe imiti yawe yibanze wigendane
No.
ntabwo twajya ahantu hari imizigo rwose ngo tuvane umuzigo wawe
Hey, what if it's an emergency?
ndetse usanze ari uburwayi ufite muri urgence bukeneye imiti kuyinywa nona
sir,
nyakubahwa umbabarire
I can get you a headset.
nakuzanira ekuteri umusego wenda n'ikiringiti ushakira amazi
Just knowing that we could crash any.
mana afite ubwoba ndi kumva indege ishobora kuba yagonga igiceri cyo cyose ko yakurashinga marega amazi ataramenyereye kugenda mu ndege ufitemo akantu kakuba yewe
Oh, what a little heartbreaker.
mbega akana keza mana kameze nka nsenya mgugugu hano arafite imyaka 4
Age.
mbega imyaka myiza
I can see the look on her face when she sees you.
ati rwose ubu ndimo ndabona umwana burya bwishime nakubona nka papa utashye
I'd be happy to see any look on her face.
ati rero nibwo ndabonezerwa mbona yishimye
Employed for 24 months now.
maze rwose amezi 28 ubwo ni imyaka 2 nataha
Only thing I could think about was her and her mom.
ubu ndacyari ari kumwe na mama we
Soldier?
nase uri umusoja uri umusirikare ndazanye muri Army Ranger
How much more time do you have left?
none usigaje igihe kingana iki
Well, I was delayed in Paris. The only flight
ati twatinze turi i Paris
was to LAX.
indege rwose atujya muri Lax
5 hours to New York, and then
ati amasaha make nageze muri New York
I got to see my family.
fata imodoka y'isaha imwe ndageze mu rugo manu buri gikundiro
Oh, I'll say.
mbega byiza asaba umukobwa ukora mu ndege
They're getting restless.
abaturage batangiye kurambirwa
Hopefully we break through this before they...
ntabwo abantu bari tuzi ino mino abaturi bicamo na zo nkuba
Nervous, so. Anyone need anything now, though?
Yeah.
abantu bagira icyo bashyira nyine umbwira sibyo
Please.
banza umereze ikiringiti kimwe n'agacupa k'amazi akirana karingiti
Thank you, Liam.
urakoze Liam yikorera hakuno mu ndege hano hari undi mugabo nawe cy'inkuba zikubita nawe imba arasoma agatabo banza arunguruka hanze kumbe anafite imbunda umwe bari mu ndege arayibona wow umugabo yitwaje intwari niba ari ikiyebeje ni kune pa ubona ko umukobwa yayibonye subizaho ikote neza yewe
Don't worry.
ntugire ikibazo
Supposed to have it.
nemereye kuba natunga imbunda mu ndege
Sorry, I wasn't worried.
yewe ntabwo nari mpangayikishijwe n'ibyo nawe ntiyabitindaho
I'm lying, I was worried.
ntabwo nakubeshye nari mpangayitse umugabo arangije avanayo baji y'akazi ni umusirikare
Name's Thaddeus,
bayita Thaddeus
U.S. Air Marshal.
ni USA ya Marshal buriya muri Amerika nyuma y'uko ibitero byagiye bitega indege nyinshi cyane bafashe umwanzuro ko buri ndege izajya ihaguruka muri Amerika hagomba kuba harimo umugenzi w'umusirikare ugomba kuba yasabanza nk'ikihebe akaba yatabara umugenzi ni Thaddeus ni USA ya Marshal Air Field Marshal
Flight deck.
Flight deck
Can I get you guys anything?
nabazana icyo kurya cyangwa icyo kunywa
I think we're good, thanks, Alice.
tumeze neza Alice
Everything good back there?
aya nyuma yameze biti
We had one passenger ask that you guys not crash the plane.
dufitemo umugenzi umwe atubwiye ngo rwose arimo kurashingisha indege ntagire ikibazo
Let me know if you guys need something, just ring.
ariko namwe mugize icyo mukenera mwamenyesha sawa urakoze turakubwira ni Kalisi
Everything all right back there?
inyuma yameze neza ra
Seems good.
bisa nkaho ari byiza
Just checking in.
na Alice watubazaga natwe uko tumeze
Would have been nice if JFK gave us a heads up on this storm before takeoff.
indege JFK dutwara rwose muri iyi storm cyangwa se muri bino bihe turimo ntabwo ari sawa cyane
Seen a storm this big.
ariko nta bwoba ikirere kiraza kumera neza
Seeing the moment we were off the ground.
ati rwose nugira urwikekwe byose ni sawa cyane
These domestic red eyes are a nightmare too.
maso yatuka rwose bisa nkaho ari inzozi mbi ariko
Sure, but after,
nta birenze bana
you know.
baragenda bagana n'umugenzi wa pilot ebyiri barafashanya
Oops.
All the coffee in the world, my friend.
atari akantu unakoresha ikawa iyo ntwaye indege ni ikawa ya mbere ku isi
Any plans for New York?
ese hari n'imipango bafite muri New York
Had a hot date.
mani mfite akuki tuzasohokana
Beautiful woman you've ever seen.
ati niyo mugore mwiza nigeze mbona muri iyi si
What's her name?
yitwa nde
Don't know yet.
ntabwo ndamenya izina rye twateretaniye online ni ibyo ngibyo nta bindi birenze rangije hano ko muzi iby'indege banashaka utuntu tw'uduporezo
Better?
Maybe.
ikiringiti cyari sawa wenda ko biri
To fly, like if you can't do it.
berekana abantu batijya kugenda mu ndege kubera gutinya ikirere
I don't think it's the flying.
ntabwo nacyo atari kubera ikirere
Tube that resembles a penis while thinking about falling in a
erega yanakwihambira akanikomeza intoki ze ntizigende zizunguza
Think of.
mana ntagamye no gutekereza
giant penis or the falling and exploding.
ufite ubwoba bwakabana nini cyangwa indege kuba yaturika barabazaga kuko icyo gatinya ndati byombi mbitinya byombi
Planes?
nawe utinya indege se?
I'm afraid of a lot of things, but
ntabwo njya ntinya ibintu byinshi,
flying isn't one of them.
ariko mu byo ntatinya n'indege, kujya mu ndege ntabwo mbitinya.
It's a beautiful thing we do.
Mana kuba turana nabyo ni ibintu byiza.
Up here in the darkness where no one can see us?
Ibaze ko turana mu kirere aho n'umuntu atatubona, nta n'inyoni yaba yatubona.
How long has it been?
Like 3.
Maze igihe kingana iki mu ndege? Ndati imyaka 3 akora muri kano kazi. Bagiraho hari undi wasonnye.
I'm busy.
Ndi busy arimo nazinga amakuba nuza ibiringiti gendera mu muntu ukomanze. Maniga mu yakari nyita ariko afite ubwoba. Maniga arunguruka hanze. Maniga giza gutya abona ikintu kibazo nk'umuntu mu ndege. Sihora mwansabye mwitare muri cyo nakubwiye bitara turajyombo cyo kirimo abana mu kirere inkuba mu bihe. Maniga urebe Maniga ari mu ndege arimo arabona ibintu bidaha niba sinzi ariko ntawe kintu mbonera. Maniga arebye neza ngwino. Maniga kubera ubwoba, Maniga areba neza nta kintu mbonera. Ngwino arakomeza arareba ngwino kapfa. Maniga agera mu bwoba. Hayiwe Maniga arikaze.
What's on the way?
Hari ikintu mbonye umuntu arimo aramamagara.
You need to take
Umuntu aramamagara sari umuntu mu kirere. Hari ikintu mbonye tuza mwana.
Is everyone shaken up?
Wanyweye urumogi cyangwa ni kitapimpa? Wanyweye ibiki wacomye? Wafashe mugo cyangwa?
Take your seat, okay?
Banza wicare utuze sibyo.
There's nothing like that out there. I can assure you that.
Ndakwizeza ko nta kintu ubonye.
Take a seat.
Take your seat, subiraho wicare.
Excuse me.
Nkeneye ibonetse gato. Maniga aratambuka. Sasa bari bicaranye rero cyangwa urumogi cyangwa?
Oh, sir, I'm sorry. You can't use the bathroom.
Ntukoreshe ubwiherero umva.
Don't touch it.
Uretse ayifungira indani. Okay. Muri abantu bakora mu ndege nabajya gutongana n'abakiriya umeze neza. Harimo wa musirikare kuvuye umaze imyaka 2 adataha. Harimo na Air Marshal.
Excuse me?
Yewe nibiki biri kujya mbere?
It's just nerves.
Nubwo bagize nabindi.
Has everyone.
Hari abantu badakunyere kujyana mu ndege.
This flight all the time. This is the worst I've seen it.
Mbona ko nubwo mbere mbibonye.
Do you live in Los Angeles?
Utuye muri Los Angeles.
Well, my parents do. We were just there on vacation.
Ati ni ababyeyi banje batuye tuvuye muri vacation ariko tuye muri New York muri Brooklyn.
Honeymoon, really?
Mana mtwe tufite muri honeymoon. Wow, felicitation.
Let me ask you something. So
Nakubaza.
it's when a passenger is more out of control, like more than that.
Ese iyo umuntu mugenzi ananiwe kwikontrola bigenda bite?
Generally, these situations resolve themselves.
Ati byo ni ibintu byikemura kenshi.
We have protocols in place.
Ariko sibyo ko murayidura n'ibintu bitandukanye ariko turabikemura.
That's scary.
Byari biteye ubwoba.
I said these situations usually resolve themselves.
Anakwe ibintu zino sitasiyo birikemura urumva ko abana mwanya mu ndege agera akamenyera paka tugeze iyo tugiye. Ariko Maniga afite ikintu abonye. Maniga kubera ubwo bazamubwiye rero bamugize umusazi. Baravuze ngo ndimo ndagwe ibiyobyabwenge mana kubera Maniga babigeze ko ngo urumogi yacomye kumbe yari afite icyo abonye. Kumbe Maniga namubwiye rero. Hey! Maniga Highway! Maniga bazwi yacomye kumbe Maniga afite ibyo barabona mu ndege. Maniga afite ibyo barabona mu ndege abandi batarimo barabona. Maniga vayo. Highway! Nakubwiye ngo Sankara turashaka abana mwicare muri ryo show. Ntabwo nakwizera ndimo nabona mu ndege.
You tried to grab me.
Cyagerageje kumfata. Iki kigufata. Umugore muri miruwari. Maniga sasa ameze nk'uwacomye.
Need help?
Umva turagufasha.
Air Marshal, everything's fine.
Umvanye wa Air Marshal. Mumfashe nyeri cyo cyazanye mu ndege gufasha abantu nk'aba. Uyu muntu ashaka n'ikiye babone ateze nk'igisasu. Ashaka aho yacikira. Dore Maniga ngo sasa wa Air Marshal ngo aramufata.
In the mirror!
Narumogi nanyweye muri miruwari.
Train this passenger till we get to JFK.
Dofetano wose mu ndege ya JFK umugezi wose bari teza kavuyo.
Grab it now, grab it now.
Umva mereza bwa muntu bahambiza. Ari udupingu tuno twa plastike. Abari mwese musore mnyishana bijanye na kibazo. Gen wa US Air Marshal. Everyone back in your seats. Bana sasa hari binini babitwaje mu ndege. Iyo abonye umuntu ateje akajagari cyakavuyo. Bagukubitare cyitwa speed governor. Kigabanya umuvuduko w'ubwongo tusinzira.
Who's a little detached from
Hamwe waruzingo we ni umusore. No US Marshal.
Miss!
Mukobwa. Zana akamoto gisi.
In a hurry!
Hano bafite ibinini Benero ngombe ibintu by'ibinini nk'ibyo. Hano akubita urunini ugahita uhwera. chiricarira ndimo ndamumva ntabwo nacomye mwana ntabwo ndigiye I'm not a terrorist
I'm making this up.
ntabwo ndigiye baringiye ikintu nakibonye bafata urunini rusinziriza hano bagukubita urusipidi gavana ubwonko bugafurizinga bamuha urunini barumurisha ku ngufu
Swallow it, swallow it.
mira kamire mira ibyo mira kamwe nsobye maniga bahamukubise urunini bafunga umunwa maniga ikinini ko cyakinjiye
Are you tying him up?
je kumuhambira gusa se paka tuzi
On this plane. I don't want him waking up and freaking out, okay?
tugomba kumuhambira paka indege izagera atongera kugira ikibazo okay mfasha tumuterure baramwegura maniga sasa maniga afite ikintu abonye ariko kubera ko abandi batakibonye bamugize umusazi mwene batanguye bajya buganyeshwa ko ari ikihebe baranje maniga uko yagahwereye abandi mujye inyuma tumutwicaze hakuno wenyine ana murakoze maniga bamwicaza hakuno HR second
The passenger
ikinini kiguca intege
trained. He's been medicated.
ati rwose umugenzi yaragize akabazo ariko abaye medicated bamuhaye imiti
Now it's like
rwose mwihangane indege mu masaha make irabigeze aho igiye kandi bihangane ikinini kiguca intege ariko ntabwo uhuhera ese neza sawa ibyo nibyo nashaka kuva na kare bahambiriye amaboko bene umwigize nabi wa wundi wa USA y'amasho amwicara inyuma ubwo rigese ama Bin Laden yagenda agatega ibisasu mu ndege abatalibani nta kintu asigaye bakora asigaye afata abasirikare muri Amerika bagomba bari mu ndege kandi mu buryo bw'ibanga cyereke byakomere bwo mumenya ko yararimo naje banzareba inyuma ngo ubonye ibintu mu ndege guteze
Bran,
sheri ibintu byivange mu gute iki
Just wanted to help.
ndashaka gufasha nta kindi
isn't something you should be involved in.
sheri ibintu ibintu akaba yivanga amavuye muri honeymoon
Okay, I'm sorry.
samba bare sheri
I guess I'm still in my head about my parents.
erega ndacyategeza ababyeyi banje
You said it was okay.
yebo ndibaza icyo ababyeyi bawe bagutekerezagaho bambwiye ko mankunze kandi ndakwizera
Yeah.
sawa ntacyo bitwaye
Maybe next time it'll be better.
wenda ubutabizamera neza bazanyishimira nawe niko mbikeka bavuye muri honeymoon indege mu kirere maniga afite ikintu yabonye wamugira umusazi reba filime sazi bamwe ngo yanyweye ibimogi mana rwose ikirere kimeze nabi cyane
Everything. 5 minutes ago, looked like we'd be out of it in 20, but
rwose iminota mitanu ishize indege igabanyutseho gatanga 20%.
fuel gauge will work.
Altimeter yayo na fuel gauge bihagaze neza hano bari ibirege buryo ahagaze bakira aho urumuri kudukanga cyangwa buriya kabazo kose kabaye ku ndege wa pilot bahita bakira sinyare niba itara rizimye niba ripfuye nabigenze biti hano bahita babimenya rangije
Flight deck.
Captain, it's Liam.
ni Liam
Storm caused a passenger to freak out.
ati rwose cyari gitumye umuntu umwe ahwera
The marshal stepped in and assisted.
ariko hari umumashori mani ndadufashije tumutera imiti arasinzira
Training?
nkamuhambiriye
Control back there.
ati nizere ko biri muri control
I think so.
yani ko mbikeka ariko mbikeka
Okay, good. Just
saa byiza
make sure everybody's comfortable.
umeke iyo ushaka hano sari comfortable bameze neza
Now.
Got it.
saa nabyumva bameke iyo ushaka abantu barimo inyuma rwose bameze neza nta kibazo sasa hakuno wa musirikare babanza kugenda batambaza amazi abafata utuji hano muvanayo dutebo abafata kofi
Ma'am,
mama akira hakuno ino akira nawe databuje abinywera amazi abanywa iki bitewe n'icyo ushaka mu ndege hano hari undi afunguye arebe hanze ikintu yavugaga kiriyo kugenda bavuga
Just a water, please.
muhereza iki n'amazi
Miss,
mabusha
I was wondering if you had anything else I could snack on.
mwambona akantu ko kurya gatoya
The peanuts?
wenda nk'utuntu tw'utunyobwa
Gave me his, but my stomach is.
ndumva mu ndange rwose hari vide
we're gonna start the in-flight meal as soon as the storm dies down.
ati rwose turashaka kukurya mu ndege muba burimo butoya utuntu tw'utunyobwa utuntu nk'utwo tubajiya
Packaged salad.
ariko dufite n'utubusarade ku ruhande byaba ubonye udusarade byabasaba kurushaho aba ari packed salads umukecuru yakira ubusarade si ibyatsi nushaka n'ibyo kurisha ndabiguha
Here you go.
upangira ubusarade hakuno umukecuru ariko mu nda hakora icyatuza
Peanuts.
Of course.
yawe ni utunyobwa cyane peanuts. Abandi mu ndege nyine mukecuru arimo aratitira n'ubwoba.
You think he saw a ghost?
Ashaka yabonye umuzimu sheri. Oya nta buzima ariko sibye bawowe.
I think he probably thought he saw one.
Ahubwo yaketse ko yawubonye ariko nta muzimu mu ndege gute.
Yeah. Probably just crazy.
No busazi buraho na bintu bya danger.
You know, I think I saw ghosts when I was little.
Nanjye najyaga njya kubona abonye umuzimu nyiri umwana. Serious?
I mean, maybe.
Ndakeka sindi shuwa yabyo.
He sees things you don't understand.
Hari ibintu tuzi ariko tutanasobanukiwe.
Old hallway.
Nari ni mu koridoro gishaje.
Out of the corner of your eye, but...
Mbere njya koridoro nkajyamo ibintu bidari hari mu mwijima.
Or you're driving and there's someone behind you.
Hari n'ukuntu ubutwaye imodoka ajya mu inyuma hari umuntu hari.
Gone.
Wahindukira ukabona ko nta muntu uhari.
Other people.
Yaba ari umuzimu cyane abandi bantu.
This one time.
Akira hakuno abantu bagiye bahereza ibyo kurya.
Being in my bed.
Ahari njye nabaga ndi mu gitanda ninjye nyine.
On my side, looking out my window.
Nkumva ko hari umuntu yanze yidirishya arimo arandeba, nareba hanze yidirishya nkabura umuntu.
Because I was trying to go to sleep.
Ariko akenshi byambagayo nabaga nabuze ibitotsi nyine ndimo ndigaragura mu buriri.
Out of the woods.
Numva nyine nta gitotsi.
Guy?
Numva ko hari umusore uhari.
He looks like Frankenstein.
Nabonaga rwose asa nka Frankenstein. Kugeza umukobwa ko bagiye n'indege tayari.
Towards the house. Through the back.
Bagenda baganamo rwose buryo ki.
Right towards my window.
Yajyaga nabona ibintu bidahari kiri mutoya.
Until I could see the whites of his eyes. And then he just stood there and looked at me.
Hari n'igihe nabonaga umuntu ahagaze nk'ari arimo arandeba nkamureba mu maso.
I freaked out.
Iyo wagera ku gaso byendaga biti.
Went through and woke.
Nariruka nkajya mu cyumba cy'ababyeyi banje.
Guy in my window.
Ntabwo ahora nabona umuntu mu idirishya.
My dad. He came in and looked around.
Bakaza akareba mu idirishya akabona nta muntu uhari.
They even went into the backyard. They said I was dreaming.
Hari igihe numvaga ababyeyi banjye barimo baravuga ngo wenda narotaga.
I don't remember falling asleep.
Usibye ko numvaga barimo barambeshya ko sinibukaga igihe nasinziririye. Arimo aragenda aganiriza sheri wiwe. Byatangiye byose kubera umutipe wavuze ngo yaboneye umuzimu bamugira umusazi. Ibyo bibaho cyane mu bwana. Kubona ibintu bidahari ukikanga. Nawe ugeze ubona umuzimu ukiri umwana. Mugeze ngo bakundana baba Jene Maria usanga bigano ntabyo bakajya bakabeshyanya bagahimba inkuru akabwira mugenzi wo kuntu ihene yishingwe ngo kandi ngo iyo tayiga ngo niyo ari yiyenje ibihene ngo birayishe.
Cool it.
Mwakira tukunywa. Wa musirikare wa Air Marshal yibereye ku bunyobwa n'amazi. Kumbe maniga bashinje urumogi. Tangiye kuzanzamuka. Hakunino babika amazi byo kunywa.
During a storm, we'll be picking crouton crumblies off the floor.
None yafata ubusarade muri storm cyangwa. Hano umukecuru byatse ariko nabirenze. Mana urugendo rw'indege rwa Atari.
That'll happen.
Reka twizere ko nabindi bibiri imbere.
And over there keeping watch, we should be fine.
Nabona uyu mugabo Charlie Bronson rwose arimo aracungana n'abantu. Ntakiri bube. Umukecuru arimo ararya. Arimo ararya umukecuru. Umukecuru arimo ararya. Salade. Dore ngo salade ngo arazigarura.
Need some help over here.
Yes, shenano fata inyuma. Umukecuru arutse salade. Salade arimo inyu.
Give me like a towel.
Zana kayishimi.
Okay, can you breathe?
Ngo yana wasajaje nike. Bana nyanga sa iminari yakanya isaruka harimo inyu.
Let's get you back to your seat.
Ye musubire myanya yanyu.
Get up.
Fata kayishima biyore. Teta wi.
Eat.
Bene bitese semera. Yeba salade ari yako kanya. Ahitaruka inyu.
Check the other salad.
Gendure bizini salade. Urebe ukuntu zimeze. Utaza kujya kugaburira abandi bintu. Bino bintu bitabijyangiza mugenzi izina ry'indege. Bagabura ibintu biboze ibintu nk'ibyo. Maniga ndabuze ni salade do. Kumbe zoza zaboze. Arangije. Maniga za hakuno aho bamena imyanda. Muri puberi. Yitonze. Avana n'izindi salade zose bari bafite. Zose wuzuyemo inyo. Niba byagenze bitashane kunepa. Uwa mbere yabonye ibintu bidahari. None ibiryo bahagurutse ku kibuga cy'indege ari bizima. Bitangiye kubura. Nta namasanga yo baramara mu kirere. Urebe filime gusa. Aha banzamagare pilot amumenyesha.
Flight deck.
Hey, sorry to bother you again.
Nongere ko murekeye kwabangamira. tayari sinyare z'indege zitangira kubura. Uri murahamagara network ziranga indege nayo mu kirere. This is Pan US 57 over. Turimo turabura control. Pan uko bahamagara bo hasi ntago bumvikana. System iri difficult ntago twaba tracking ahantu muherereye. Liam n'ibiki byambere.
Well, they're rotten.
Ibintu byaboze.
Rotten.
Byaboze.
They're like satanic rotten.
Bisa nkaho byaboze rwose n'ibintu satani. Ibintu byuzuyemo inyo maggots.
That's disgusting.
Ibintu bitese seme ban.
The flight meals are rotten.
Mwana ibiryo byo mu ndege byose byaboze.
Great.
Yeza cyane.
Have Liam call LAX, tell him about the food.
None se Liam yabahamagaye twagurukiye ku ndege ngabwira ibiryo badupakiriye.
LAX.
Aramwe ngamagara muri LAX cyangwa se dosenyo sa ndege yagurutse.
The passengers as comfortable as you can.
Ariko abantu bari mu ndege batagiye ikintu bamenya rwose ibiryo mu bimene byakavuga ko nabirimo ariko batamenya kijya mbere.
What did he say?
Avuze ngo
Keep everyone comfortable.
abantu baturisha nta kindi. Keep everyone comfortable.
Phones aren't working.
Telefone yako nakoze gukora.
Running out.
Hello?
I'm comfortable.
Barambwe ngo baturisha nta kindi telefone nayo isivaho.
What?
Ndimo numva ibicere.
Yes. Darkness.
Ndimo numva ibintu rwose biteye ubwoba. Ya. Sasa indege dore ngo irazima. Dore ngo indege iracurama. Indege system yose indege irizimya. Hana yesiga no gufunga imikandara. Igisiga no gufunga imikandara. Dore indege ngo iracurama. Dore indege ngo iracurama. System y'indege zose ba down. Moteur zirijimije. Injini zirijimije z'ubwazo. Turabya ndotese. Moteur z'ubwazo zirijimije. Nta kintu wakora. Ultimate nayo yazimye.
You got eyes on the horizon, Ryan?
Mwana turabya zote wana. Indege iri manuka bumva butosho.
Lightning strike.
Indege iri manuka butosho. Kandi indege iri manuka gutya. Iricana. Moteur isubiraho. Moteur yisubizaho. Moteur zisubizaho. Barwana nayo iritambika. Mayday arimo aramagara bari hasi. Iri JFK Center. Pan US 57. Tugize cya engine failure moteur igiye hasi.
Systems check.
Ubu rwose muturabira system yacu cyaba kibaye. Ntabwo bisanzwe biba.
We're in aerodynamic stall. We are dead stick.
Hano bose baravugijwe ntacyo babikoraho. Ya filime sasa. Ayare bashitra moteri. Imwe irashya. Sasa indege ifite nuze ebyiri. Imwe irafatwa. Dore indege yamanuka butosho.
Copy that. Pull back this way. We gotta get this.
Gerageza ukure tureba twasubiza ku murongo. Indege. Ntabwo hey. Ya filime sasa. Reba filime sasa. Samaganda planta hano arabwe ngo kitapimpa ariko ibyo yanyweye simbizi ariko mukanure cyane ndakubwiye ni da premier inkora indege se indege iricara
We get them spinning, the generators will run.
nta generators ziri muri indege cyangwa
No, we're too far out. Not gonna work.
ngana zintu cyo muntu yakora sisiko byakunda gerageza connect ba connect au generator bashtura moteri indege yabuze stability yabuze stamina yabuze ubwicara nase no yicara cyangwa igenda cyangwa ihagarara ariko tu iracyacurama hey tayara bari mu ndege ariko
Fire, damn it, connect!
Nganda ibintu byabaye sagara
Gonna return!
mwana tugeze kuri point of no return nta gusubira inyuma turore mwana fata bikunde kubw'amahirwe tayari kubw'amahirwe kurura arayicoza indege irongera ikora iki bayirebesha mu kirere highway yari yacuramye hey indege irongera kwama mu kirere fresh na system irongera iraka iyi ndege nayo sinzi ibyayo nabanyari imibare gatandatu kandi imibare bya Ruminata indege irakwama hey Sakara nababwiye Mana ishimwe thanks God
Lead, please contact the cockpit, thank you.
turi rwose ba fly lead nabayoboye indege
Good work.
koze neza mwana moto z'ibintu byasubiye murongo
That before.
ntabwo nigeze mu indege ipfa gutya
But not like that.
ntabwo ari ukubijya bijyana nanjye kabisa n'ubwa mbere biranunguye
You're getting to see a lot of things you never see.
ariko mu ndege yitwara indege ubona ibintu byinshi ariko nanjye mu majoro yose natwaye ubwa mbere mbibonye
Just had a heart attack.
Kristo nanirwaye umutima kabisa ay
Can you start the walkthrough?
ubu wakongera ukabasha gutambuka kandi acemo mbaturishe nta kindi banza fata hano telefoni.
You okay back there?
Inyuma mumeze neza ra Yakuba mumeze neza winsapurize mudutegereje ikidege cyanyu kigoswe.
That was a lot.
Yewe byari bihatari.
How about everyone else? Any injuries?
Abantu bari wakomeretse
I don't know.
ntabwo mbizi nari wakomeretse
Yet.
ariko mugenzi wanjye arimo aracamo hagati sanda byumva.
About 4:10 we hit New York.
Saa 10:10 twinjiye New York.
See if we can make this a better trip from here on
Turebe
out.
ko iyi trip iyo twayirangiza neza kurusha uko twayitangiye. Ariko biri kose abaturage barakaye. Umva.
Oh, sweetie,
Hano hari wakubise rwose izuru ku idirishya.
let me touch you up in the restroom. I'm not.
Tujye mu bwiherero ureko afata agatambaro kihanagura. Ngwino hakuno ino. Hano hari ukubise izuru atava imyuna.
Need to.
Yes.
Abandi meze neza. Sa murakoze. Aratambuka ajya mu bwiherero. Ayima arava imyuna. Azayamara bika amajuru. Yinjira midani meze neza. Ukomeze mutukangana rwose indege byangu byari bigenze neza. Barabasobanurira. Yitonze. Banaga telefone. Telefoni zirakwama.
Gentlemen, apologies for the turbulence as you may have gathered.
Ati rwose abagore namwe bagabo turbulence duhuye nayo rwose itera ikibazo gikomeye ariko mukomeze mwihangana. Umukecuru ufata amazi umwe.
He's back in order.
Ati rwose mukomeze mutwihanganira amakuru meza nuko indege rwose yasubiye muri order. Indege muri situation nziza.
But it's our #1 priority.
Ati rwose kohereza ikirere tukajya muri New York City. Niyo priority yacu nicyo kibanze.
Safe and sound.
Kandi turamenye ushaka ko turi bageze amahoro kandi munahumeka neza.
It's about 4 hours.
Ati rwose kujya amasaha 4.
Sit back and try to relax.
Icyo musabwa no kwicara mukarelaxa.
Through the cabin to make sure everyone.
Ati rwose cabin crew cyo muri bukene babwire cyangwa se aba flight attendant barababura kimwe. Kandi mukomeze mwihanganira indege yacu kubwa discomfort yakanya gato. Yewe.
I am not. It's just.
Uyagaribwe nyati kuki mungamambiri. Agufunga n'umunwa.
What? I'm not.
Acicika.
You had an episode.
Wo episode ya mbere yagenze nabi twagwambiriye.
I had to restrain you.
Nagomba kugwambira.
Oh, I'm saying it's for your own good.
Ibyo nakoze ni kubw'inyungu za it's for your own good.
No, you know.
Ariko nagunyumva kabubwiza kuri amwe nagunyumva.
Can I tell you one more time? Shh.
Utongera guteza kavuyo please mfasha. Tetuacicika. Nyumva neza.
You have the right to remain silent.
You have the right to remain silent. Ufite uburenganzira bwo gufunga umunwa.
And if I were you, that's
Iyo mba ndi wowe.
what I would do.
Akaba imfungura umunwa sibyo? Cicika please.
Relax.
Saba ngaho relax. Cicika utuze. Maniga. Baramwe ngatete gafunga umunwa nta kindi. Bamushinje ibimoje bavuga ibiki? Kumbe hano mukaragiye. Mukaragiye kureba neza. Ariko ibintu mugenzi wanjye yavugaga. Warimo arabona ibintu hanze y'indege. Nawe aronguruka hanze. Urebe. Ngena abona amagi. Nawe areba hanze. Araje hanze mwana abona amagi. Abona hari ikintu kimwe ngari umuntu. Ariko se. Itabi ryo mukajyasi. Mwana abona nyiri romba. Ariko ni itabi cyangwa. Sasa hari ibintu ubona ukavuga naba nasinze cyangwa. Baba pilot bari
LAX Center.
Abahamagara muri LAX Center.
Lost contact with JFK.
Mwaduhamagara ku kibuga cya JFK. Ni ndege ya Japan U-57.
Okay.
Bari guhamagara aho baturutse bakomerekana naho barimo barajya babatunganyiriza umwana asigaye amasaha make akaba landing.
Gonna have to be lost power.
Bisa nk'aho n'uburyo twabuze umuntu n'ikintu bazi.
What about the systems check?
Warebye system yose ahagaze neza se?
Went through the book.
Narebye mu gitabo.
Fly, but
Ikintu cyatuma indege yizimya.
got a few problems.
Bisa nk'aho dufite utubazo dukeya.
According to the diagnostics, the cabin pressure is good.
Ati nkurikije ibyo mbona cabin pressure imeze neza. Fuel irimo.
Landing gear
Landing gears imeze neza.
down and autopilot's gone.
Yeah.
Ariko bano twatwara muri system ya autopilot. Indege ikitwara vuga mwashyizemo icyerekezo.
Greatest ever built. Keep our hands on the wheel, we should be just fine.
Ati reka dukomeze dutware ibya autopilot tubireke turaza kumera neza nta kindi.
For some reason, we lose navigation.
Asa wasanga ari impamvu turimo turabona navigation. Niyo mpamvu se.
For a storm with engine failure, not really.
ayibaze naye kwa turi mu kirere nk'iki ngiki inde moteri kizimya.
Keep calm, kid, alright?
Mwana muto tuzane bwa nubwo uje mu ndege ibintu bimazemo imyaka. Ahubwo nusinzire gusa.
The report.
Hamagara bakuri artist wabwira ibya munuza report.
Well,
Acha nano ka screen ka artist arebe hano.
we wanted to divert our path according to the data. There's no
Ati no tukashaka guhindura icyerekezo dukurikije data duhabwa ni artist. Ntabwo byadukundira ko turana turi mu cyerekezo kimwe.
I can't see anything out there.
Ntacyo ndimo ndabona pe.
Equipment, no equipment, radio or no radio. Storms only last so long.
Ati mwana kamubwire yaba radio cyangwa itaro cyangwa se ikintu kitariho. Ntabwo inkubi nk'izi z'imiyaga zijya zitinda mu kirere. N'iby'akanya gato. Turenga ikirere ingo ziri kubitira turajyanda ameze neza. Sasa telefone nawe yavuyeho network yijimije. Kumbe nta kintu mbonye. Hano ibuka. Hey. 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 Sema midea. Sasa waje mubwiherero. Mana njye nzi kubiti cyangwa ngo ngubiti izuru mva minyuna. Hari hano mu bwiherero. Tangira kumva amajwi. Arazima. Areje mu kiraro urabona ko irosi bamukase. Kumbe na bamukase. Arimo areba mu irosi akabona yakatise. Ariko sinimo ndafa amaraso cyangwa. Atangira kwivugisha. Hasa nibije byambere bana? Arimo areba mu miruwara akabona ko irosi bamubaze. Kandi yakwikora kumva ni muzima. Bana bari mu ndege ariko ni ibintu dari mabuja.
Excuse me, ma'am?
Mama nyihangana kusakuza niki? Nta majwi mwumvara?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Mama uranyumva? Ari reba akabona ari cyamubaza.
You know he's okay.
Oya. Mumfashe. Abura sasa abura. Sakanduza bafungurije.
Ma'am, I'm sorry.
Mabuja ihangane.
The lock override is stuck. I can't open.
Nuza yo ku muryango irimo indani kare. Fata kare uyikate urakingura. Na kare ndimo ndabona. Kare umva hariho kare. Kata kare. Kare arayibura. Sasa abantu bari mu ndege bari kubona ibintu bidahari. Basa n'abacanganye ikiwe. Reba filime sasa. Reba filime sasa. Aya. Ndimo ndabona aracyamukuruye. Kimukuruye. Yibona handi hantu. Urebe. Hey! Yibona handi hantu ariko. Na kubwiye bitandatu kukoze na jombo cyo kirimo. Hey! Imbere ye. Uyarwana na kare koko. Fata kare kata kare. Agize gutyo byakomeye. Abona no wundi wa Air Marshal. Kwina no mu musada. Nubundi abareta ya Amerika bayishyize mu ndege ni kesi. Baramusari mwikiye mu ndege bakabatabara.
It's coming to help, okay?
Aro muri muraza kuba yafasha mukonga utuza.
Stay calm.
Niba uri muranyumva stay calm. Kibazo ki?
I think that there's a woman trapped inside.
Udama isanga yahezemo indani.
She's stuck.
Yahezemo indani.
Yeah, the lock
Urumva ni mechanism y'imifungire.
properly.
Ntabwo arimo arakora neza wasanga yahezemo indani.
Here, let me try.
Ngaho vongerageze. Na wakati kare biranga mabuja. Hata mimi nasikia huko ndani lakini una shida gani?
This is the U.S. Air Marshal. I need
Ni USA ya macho.
right now. You're right.
Ni mara yakora gufungurira. Umuryango wibanye nyina banazanja kubyumva. Nta tindo wandusha. Kintu kimeze nk'itindo fera beto. Nabandi batanja gurunguruka. Hano hari agatindo.
Oh, great.
Ya baretse gato nkwereke. Soja boy yarangije. Yitonze. Hey! Kumwindane! Muri mirwari! Umwicanyi! Uko tuza turaje! Baragata tugucingurire! Dongo jino avuga ibiki? Ngaho ni bano bintu kiri kuvuga.
One,
Ari umwicanyi.
two.
Sasa idayimari mirabwira umgongo harimo umwicanyi mu ndege. Bacinguye umukobwa kumbe yicaye hasi.
Oh my god.
Mara nyagasani. Ayiwe ndimo nakibona. Kiramwe wa muri ndege harimo umwicanyi. Madara Siriyo kira Madara.
Okay.
Muko urimo avuga amagambo atumvikana.
Okay.
Urimo avuga mother, father ni kira usobanukiwe.
Yeah, can you take a seat?
Banza wicare mukobwa muto banza wicare uruhuke. Ayiwe mana.
What happened?
Bigenze biti? Ni miruwari.
What about the mirror?
Miruwari si bayiki kandi.
I saw her. She was
Ndamubonye.
pregnant.
Yaratwite, she was pregnant. Ntabwo nahumeka numva naheze umwuka. Umukobwa navuga ntabwo byumvikana. Naza maniga mbere yabwe ko afite ikintu yabonye amugira umusazi.
Okay.
Muko banza tuze.
For me?
Ngaho basi mfurika mufasha waguruke ujye mu mwanya wawe. Sasa bise umwaro umugi. Bazatangiye kwizera ibyo yababwiraga.
It's okay. All right.
Ntacyo bitwaye. Yarangije bari bicaranye mu mwanya ni mwene wabona mamagi. Mwene wabona nyiri romba. Yitonze. Sinabivuze. Mukamvuga ngo meze nka nuza nkunywa injaga. Se. Hey. Banike bamugize umusazi. Baricara. Ariko namwe nawe bana mamagi hari ikintu yabonye. Umeze neza. Oh, indebyo ubona ameze neza.
What is going on?
Ni ibiki bijya mbere.
We're never flying this flight again is what's going on.
No.
Reba abantu bacanganyikiwe.
Hey, that guy.
Brand nanga gucanganyikirwa indege ifite ibintu biteye ubwoba. Bamwe yarutsinyo, undi ngaho nawe yabonye ibintu bidahari. Nundi nawe marabona ibintu bidahari mu bwiherero. Iyi ndege ni indege. Sheri tuzo bipanika.
I don't know either.
Sheri nanjye rega simbizi imbaza.
Hell of a storm.
Wasanga ari ingubi y'umuyaga ari ikirere kimeze nabi.
All right.
Are you okay?
Yewe umeze neza.
You're not.
Mana maze cyo gupfira hano. Sheri ntago turi bupfi.
Air Marshal said that the crazy one was a terrorist.
Ariko naturiya mugabo w'umusirikare Air Marshal yavuze ko ambere ari umuterrorist.
Okay, ma'am.
Anagara ibyo navuze umura mama na terrorist mano.
What are we supposed to do when there's a
Ese turakora iki?
plane? I mean,
Sasa muri abaturage abasivile bose bezana ko yabonye umusirikare abaziki ibibazo byose byakemutse.
He heard
Babona abonye umusirikare maze imyaka 2 adatahagiye kwa abafashe. Mutugi.
Maybe we shouldn't call him crazy.
Ntabwo twakwe twamwisha umusazi.
Okay, nothing.
Ariko yavuga ibintu by'imeze n'abazimu. Hana mwana wabona mama nawe yabonye ikibazo nk'umuzimu.
It's just all a little frazzled right now.
Urumva ibintu by'indege y'umuntu agiye mu bwa mbere agira ikintu cyahamuka akantu k'ubwoba nawe niko bimeze.
It's a malfunction.
Urumva ni hungabana.
Function with the plane.
Indege yagizemo akabazo ariko nta kindi kibazo gihari. Umudayimoni mu ndege yabageye.
Boys, you better keep that man away from me because I just want
Umva uriya mugabo mwamuhambira kugira ngo nabona agaca kwa ibyo bavuga byari impamo.
on the ground. You know, maybe we got struck by lightning, you know?
Wasanga twakubiswe n'inkuba nawe ubizi.
Going in now.
Hano buri umwe mu ndege bavuga ibye. Cyane cyane abantu bagize muri situation iteye ubwoba.
I'm a teacher and I watch the news.
Okay, twake n'amakuru turi amakuru kutureba ko hasi bimeze.
You know what? Cool it. All right.
Mwana mwese maze mutuze.
Okay, we're on a plane. The plane
Twese turi mu ndege.
is a machine.
Kandi indege mwibuka ko ari imashini.
The signals get jumbled.
Nkuko umuntu afata telefone sinyara zikabura n'indege byayibaho. Mugerageze mutuze.
Some shit's gonna go wrong. So
Mwitera n'ubwoba mugena mwana umuntu mushize amakosa.
don't even know it's true.
Utagiye mu mwakiyuzinga.
Everyone panic.
Mwepanika.
Exactly.
Bivuga rata no kuri.
Sit back and
Mwese mwicare mufunge imikandara nta kindi gisabwa.
You sure everything's normal?
Hakoje urishwe muri yose meze neza.
I'm not sure.
Sheri ntago ndishyure ko ngomba guturisha abantu.
It's not supernatural.
Naye ntago ndi ikintu kidasanzwe.
We're on a plane. And planes have problems.
Sheri turi mu ndege kandi indege nazo zigira ibibazo.
Something's not right, Brad.
Sheri hari ikintu kitameze neza ariko.
I know.
Ndabizi.
How about we take our mind off this?
Reka tuzibikore indege tubitekerezeho. Sheri banza wumve nk'umuziki.
My brother.
Mfite ubu mixtape nagiye nshyira kuri nuza kuri
Right?
akuriwe nuza yawe umva imiziki.
I don't know, it feels weird.
Ntabwo nakumva imiziki yenda kumva ibintu bidasanzwe.
Babe,
Sheri bebe
we're in a storm. Storms pass.
iyo turi mu bihe bitoroshye tubicamo.
If I open my carry-on and snakes fall out.
Ariko iteka ihora ubitekereza biragukurikirana. Icyo usabwa ni kimwe tuza muri wowe. Bombe reba hariya. Bombe ku kuri miruwari yabo aracyanditseho ngo mada. Wabibonye? Ntabwo ari mada cyangwa fada ni mada y'umwicanyi. Sasa hako Mayige babwiye ngo anywa injaga arashaka kwihambura. Warusingo umva. Umva neza nkubwire.
you're really stupid if you think I'm letting you out of my sight.
Waruzi ko niba uziko nakuvanya amaso urinjije uri muri besha cyane.
Relax.
Tuza. Asiya gusa. Hano natangiye kumva turi mu mugenzi wawe by'intekerezo. Kwihorera ntabwo zigiye bihagarika. Nibikira? Ngo kwihorera bizigiye bihagarara.
Did you say something to me?
Wumve muri ekuteri. Kwihorera ntibizigera bihagarara ariko se. Ari mu ngoma yumvira amandi majwi.
Say something?
Sheri umbwiye ngo iki?
What?
Njyewe? Na yego.
Thought I heard something.
Mandari ibintu numvise ariko ntiyabyitaho subizamo ekuteri. Yumvira muri ekuteri. Uri hehe? Hagarara mbere yuko umwijima mwinshi. Ariko se. Aje ibintu ndi kumvura kubyumva cyangwa.
There's someone trying to call me or...
Ndetse kandi umuntu murageza kumamagara cyangwa kubwira ibintu.
What?
Akubwira ibikize.
What am I trying to hear? I don't hear anything.
Kuse kuntu ibintu numva ko nabyumva ko numva ingoma.
What?
Brandon. Sheri yego niki. Mukobwa agira makoba nangiye kumva ibintu bidahari nako ntacyo. Hari kivuga kuri muri ibintu bidahari bakakugira umusazi. Uwa mbere yaboneye mu ikirahure undi arukinyo uwa gatatu muri toilette. Subizame kuteri. Umwitaje yumva amajwi bimumena amatwi.
Or something?
Sheri umuzamuriye volume cyangwa.
On it or something, Jesus!
Umenya amatwi mariyemo volume. Agize gutya kure kuteri yazaho amaraso. Mumumenya amatwi. Sheri utangiye kunkanga abantu utangiye kunera ubwoba. Sheri amatwi aramenetse avamo amaraso. Sheri arangije subizane kuteri gira makoba ibiri muri indege arangije ko mubibona niko mubibona bagatinze uyu nawe hakuno wa mukobwa Alice nawe akora mu ndege ari muri cabin crew.
Captain?
What the? Alice, there's procedure for a reason. You can't
Alice nukinjana imbere utabanje kutubwira jyo wanzu tumenyeshe.
angel be on the ground.
Amasana atatu asigaye.
What I'm worried about.
Hari ibintu byamangayikishije.
All worried about?
Ndahangayitse pe.
We're losing this flight.
Iyi ndege ishobora kuba yatwaye ihomba.
I need you to take control.
Ndashaka mukontore buri kintu cyose byo. Mbabarira gato.
So far we've had a lightning storm.
Ndabona inkuba ari nyinshi tubonye ibyo byaboze. Abantu bapanitse abantu batangiye guta umutwe.
I don't know what this is, but
Hano ntago ibintu bisanzwe, ntago bisanzwe pe. Bakivuga ntago bisanzwe. Akivuga ntago bisanzwe. Indege tayari. Mukobwa ari gafite ingingo.
I need you to calm.
Nyen Alice nyeneye ko mutuza nta kindi.
It's a rough flight, but you've been doing this.
N'urugendo rubi rw'indege ariko nyine nakundi.
All right, I don't know what's
Nagaruka mbere byabaye umuntu atwaye indege.
problem is, but I can't be back.
Sinzi byari gusa. Kiraza gukemuka.
Can to keep us in the air.
yeah.
Turimo nakora ibishaka kugenda indege kumwe mu kirere cyane.
You're doing a great job. It's just
Cyane muragiza kuba nakora akazi kanje neza nayo n'ubu ncanganyikishe. Ugerageze gusa twubahane. Alice yangane. Ariko subira inyuma udacanganyikisha umupilot.
look. I'm trying to be a hard ass here. It's just
Nimugerageze gutuma mfunga umutwe.
this flight with
Ariko turi bicemo.
dream.
Uko buri muntu akomeza kubwira ibyo akubwira ne gucanganyikirwa kurushaho. Alice subira inyuma. Kumbe n'uyu nawe utwaye indege. Urebe. Pilot. Uri murabibona ra?
See what?
Atangira kubona ibintu bidahari. Mbone bikise.
That.
Biriya ni ibiki one?
Up there in the clouds.
Reba ariya mu bicu umwana.
Those birds?
Ni inyoni cyangwa?
That's impossible, Bert.
Ntabwo bishoboka indege ahantu indege irize abari inyoni.
In the world?
Ntabwo ibyo bintu byabaho. Pilot wiga kaza gatangira kubona ibintu bidahari. Inyoni muri iki kirere kireshya gutya. Bariya nabantu mbona cyangwa?
What are you talking about?
Mwana bavuga ibiki? Captain.
See anything?
You're not seeing this?
Mwana nijye kwibona gusa cyane abantu mbona bagenda.
Christ!
Yesu Kristo. Tangira gutitsira sasa pilot. Agize gutya birabura.
You want me to take over for a minute?
Mwana wavuyeho gato yanga banwaye ukabugiye ku ruhande.
Break might do you some good, maybe some coffee. Or...
Umukorera gakaba gashyushye.
Break shit.
Umva nago nasaze bana.
Bottle of water, please, Alice.
Zanira amazi Alice rata zanira amazi. Ayiro twabyise umunaniro. Bamushakira gakaba cyangwa amazi.
There's no shame in being exhausted. It's
Ushaka kunanirwa nta gisebo kirimo.
most.
Ne bintu biba kuri buri muntu ariko biba byiza. Mwana meze neza bana.
Scared?
Je byemeze neza.
Yeah, me too.
Bafite ubwoba nanjye ubwoba ndabufite.
Yeah, maybe a little.
Wenda ufite bucya ariko ndabufite.
I don't know, something's not right.
Ariko ikibazo cyo ibintu bitameze neza muri iyi ndege.
Right.
Ndimo ndabyiyumvisha ntabwo ibintu bimeze neza muri iyi ndege.
Okay.
Kuri muri atitira cyane se. natitira gusa sekondi mo natitira binarenze.
Notice the same. I guess I just get a lot on my mind.
Ngana ni byinshi mfite mu mutwe wanjye. Rangije. Hebayiro tamuzanira amazi.
Thanks.
Akira kamata maji. Amuhereza n'amazi.
What'd you see?
Ye ubonye iki? Subiramo ibintu wabonye.
I don't know.
Yewe ntago mbizi. Anywa amazi. Yabanje kubona ngo ibinyoni ngo abona abantu bagenda mu kirere. Bajya ngo bezi biri kumuvuduka uri hejuru cyane. Tayari. Amazi hano aratangiye kuva amazi. Indege sirava. Nibati. Urebe. Ubwo yabanje kumeneka amatwi. Arangije aza Karungu muri we. Karungu zimwongoza guhaguruka. Arahindukira bopoto urebe. Hey! Sihora mwansabaga mwicare. Nawe byari ibintu barabwiri. Hey! Bitandatu nagari menshi. Mukobwa zahezemo Karungu. Ndege. Mukobwa komeza imbere. Ibyo murora nanjye nibyo mbona. Kaga kobwa gakwaye muri cabin crew para mu ndege kamuturuka imbere. Amuco nkutamureba ariko se. Uyu muntu ari marageye. Akomeza he? Urebe. Akomeza zaho bapayiroti bari. Kumana manigara kunajya betafite tuntu dukoresho. Maniga bafite inyanga ziwe nabakingira bwa bwiherero. Arangije.
Make sure this stays open, okay?
Making sure ko uyu muryango utawufunga. Urumva? Making sure ko nta ntafunga. Maniga bafite ana majini yiwe yinywera.
Danny.
Sheri Danieli. Manu witwa ba Daniela. Musara wa Danieli umukobwa wa Daniela. Maniga arangije. Kaneshinire game Ebyenza kumbe mugenzi Sheri yari yamoye agafoto ko muri kografi ari purenya aratwite ire purenya hakiri umubonye ayo iri yarafiyemere Sankara nabwe ngibyo mbonye bahungu we binganya gupfusha imbye yiye kubitara ya majini yiwe yinywera igini ryiwe daimoni abu tripora bugotomera indege yimira ava nk'ibatirishaje Sheri wanje aratwite ariko yabona ikintu atwite kimeze nk'araganga ku muntu Brandon
What?
Yeche ariko ndumva nameze neza Sheri.
What's going on?
Ishijya mbere se.
Would you think it was weird if I thought there was something else on this flight?
Bare bintu mbona ngiye mubwire ariko Sheri cyo mashije kubona cyo iyi ndege ifite ibibazo. Ndege ifite ibibazo.
Is it like your Frankenstein thing?
Urutanye kubona bya bintu wabona guri mutoya bidahari. Oh yeah.
I'm not following.
Ntago nkurikiye rwose.
Danny?
Danny.
Hey.
Danny Sheri. Mukobwa.
Are you okay?
Sheri meze neza.
Do you have aspirin?
Waba ufite aspirin or the painkillers?
I think there's some in my carry-on.
Ndashaka biri mu gikapu cyanjye. Anze ngurebere. Afunguye. Ari cyamufashe. Hey. Ubwo yikubita hasi. Kwikubita hasi. Abona ari mu mizigo hasi. Hey. Yibona ari mu mizigo mbere ye. Umwicanyi the killer. Hari umwicanyi muri iyi ndege. Mudamu utwita busa nkaho yabyaye ariko ataragira ngo uhureho. Ataragenya. Hari umwicanyi muri iyi ndege. Hari umwicanyi muri iyi ndege. Ahwereye nibwo yagarutse hakuno ubwonko. Hey. Iriya setinire zindi ndege. Ki setini ndege usanga arimo setini bazimu.
You're fine.
Cyo ni igifaransa nayivuze. Cyo rumeze neza.
Okay, come on.
Iriya c'est une idée de Paris que vraiment donc. Hey. Ah, cara hakuno. Cara hakuno.
It's all right. What happened?
Tuza shiri. Jakure yanjye. Uzana amazi vuba vuba.
There's nothing there.
Nta kintu kiriyo.
There's nothing there.
Kifasha akaboko kiramfashe.
Look.
Iriya c'est une daimoni.
How about you two quit freaking everybody out?
We're not trying to
Asi marakomeza kukanga abantu kugeza ryari?
freak anybody.
Umugore arimo arakanga abantu. Batangira gusa mwitongana mwana.
In fact, it's making
Ibintu mudatwemera nabi. Nimba ari kibaye mwibitonganamo.
to calm her down.
Urimo aragereza kuba naturisha umugore wanjye nawe winyasamaho. Uruvumerewe neza cyane. Mogaki ubonye ikisi?
Woman, I think,
Mbonye umugore ndakeka.
dead in the bin, stuffed in there.
Rwose nabona gaza muri mu myanda.
I hope
Ariko arameze nk'uwapfuye.
grabbed me.
Yashatse kumfata.
And I know there's nothing there, but
Gusa nizwe nta kintu cyari gusa.
so real.
Numvaga ari ibyanyabyo.
I believe you.
Ndakwizera ntago wasaze.
Something's going on here. We just need to find out what.
Uko biri kose muri indege hari ikibazo kirimo dukeneye ko twamenya icyo ari cyo.
Sure.
Wowe umeze neza ra?
Yeah, I think so.
Ndakeka atangiye kumererwa neza.
I promise, I just don't know.
Ndabasezeranye n'ibirema mbonye umugore utwite usa nkaho yabyareka atarayikira.
You really don't want to go to the bathroom.
Nanjye ibintu byarabonye ni muri bathroom. Sandro bagize umusazi bwa mbere.
Oh, great. Mr. Crazy Man's awake.
Nabona wa wundi mwese umusazi yakangutse.
Look, please don't say it, okay?
Ntongere gusakuza mukecuru.
It's on this plane. Look,
Watajyongera avuga ko hano hari umuntu rwose ikiye mu ndege.
Mr. Marshall.
Nyakuba Marshall. Ngwino hano tuvugane.
Why don't we just tie her ass to a chair?
Icyo abantu nk'aba batanganje mutabahambirira ku ndege. Bahambire ndi. Mwiterana amagambo bana mwiterana amagambo.
you got nothing to worry about.
Umva nta mpamvu yo guhangayika manze mutuze.
I just don't understand.
Ntabwo ntabwo mbyumva.
I don't understand what's going on.
Ntabwo nizo biri kujya mbere muri indege.
Look, nobody knows what's going on.
Natwe ntabwo tuzi biri kujya mbere muri indege.
But the one thing that I do know is that
Mucyo nzi nuko ari kimwe.
I trust the man with the badge.
Njye ndizera umugabo ufite badge y'umusirikare.
And
Mureka akora akazi ke. Afite n'imbunda ariko.
a lot of crazy unseen shit going on.
Hari umwana uri kugera mbere muri iyi ndege ataramenya uwo ari wo. Ngaho tangwa ku mugore muranye ntabwo asaze. Batangira gupfa umugore mwana mwatuje ariko.
We're families, just like everybody in this plane.
Nta mugabo ukunda umuntu umuvugira ku mugore cyangwa kuvuga ku muryango we. Ntabwo ushotana ariko. Ntabwo muri abana mwicare mutuze mwembi. Ndavuze ngishara hasi. Uwa Air Marshal anatanga itegeko.
I need everyone
Umujyanga gwambira.
on their shoulders.
Mwese dufite ibibazo natwe duhuriyeho twese.
Stay calm, okay?
Mureke dutuze sibyo?
I don't think it's terrorism.
Ntacyanga atari ikihebe.
Stop using that word. That word just...
Mureke gukoresha iryo jambo. Mudakomeza kukangana abandi benshi.
Whoa, what do we
Ese usanzwe umva.
express ourselves?
Cyangwa nta muntu muri Korea y'Amajyaruguru. Naho so uri seriye cyangwa?
I'm sorry. I'm not usually this must have been asshole.
Ibintu byantambiye rwose ntabwo byumva.
Hey!
We umva.
It's scary when the plane malfunctions. It is.
Bitera ubwo indege itarimo iragenda neza.
We are people who do this for a living. So let us do our job and we will be fine.
Mureke twihangana nk'abantu bataye umutwe mureke tukore ibintu ku murongo turaza kumera neza.
See, it's exactly what I was saying. Malfunction.
Naye ibyo navugaga indege ishobora kufitemo ikibazo.
Gas leak, loss of cabin pressure.
Wasanga amavuta yamenetse cyangwa ikindi.
Until we
Nta kintu navuze.
gonna be okay.
Hanyuma dusigaye cyane nyuma nshike muri New York.
Just gonna be a couple more hours, okay?
Ni
We're...
amasaha makeya tugiye kwagera.
Would you please check in with the captain, make sure all the...
Bagenda rebe captain umubwiye ko hari ikintu yadufasha atubwira amasaha asigaye.
What do you think's going on here?
We are losing electricity.
Umuriro urimo agenda ukikuraho. Umuriro ukagaruka. Abantu baragenda bakabona bibara ahandi. Ibyo ntabwo ari ibintu biri mechanical. Wasanga ari ibintu biri demonic. Cyangwa spiritual.
We're still in the air.
Turacyari mu kirere mwana urumva.
Going for us.
Fantastic family.
Byiza.
They that knows what the hell they're doing.
Hey,
Shit.
Bivuze ngo nawe uzi ibijya mbere.
you keep talking.
Nubwo tutazi ibijya mbere biba byiza wafungura umunwa rwawe kuri umunwa urimo abangamira abantu.
Keep your mouth shut.
Funga umunwa nabyanakунaniye uryame. Shut the fuck up.
I'm so sorry about all this.
Mbabareje bwa buri kimwe waye nta kibazo bebe.
Don't be sorry, okay?
Nta mpamvu yo kunyaka imbabazi sibyo?
Do anything wrong.
Nta kintu kibakoze.
I don't know what's happening.
Nanjye sinzi biri kumbaho.
Did you take the aspirin?
Bafashe tunini.
If I wouldn't.
Don't worry, sweetheart.
Mwana wanjye ntuhangayike mwana wanjye.
But if there is a major malfunction while we're in the air during a storm,
Erega iyo habaye ikibazo nk'icyo turi mu bihe nk'ibi ngibi. Hano habura ahantu bigira banyira ndabizi mu ndege. Ari n'ubwa mbere yigenzemo. Bakira aho maniga ahambiririye hakuno.
Check for problems on the ground.
Look, has the captain mentioned anything about when and where we're gonna land?
Yes, Captain, yaba yavuze ni turi buranding ni ryari turi buranding.
Yeah, at this point, trying to land in this. We're safer up here.
Atano turi rwose aratekanye. Umbuko baraho.
Excuse me?
Munyihanganire.
What about the storm?
Naho se ikintu kire kimeze gutya. Turagicamo kugeza ryari. Umbuko bavuga. Urebe.
Tracking with us.
Excuse me.
Munyiha yewe.
It's not electrical.
Nage cyaza ari cyumuriro. Bakiri aho. Bakiri mu ndege. Bari mu ndege abona. Mayiti urumva. Rambo kalambo. None bakabonera rimwe. Oh. Bana babibonera rimwe. Hey. Ngoba vere bafata kumbunda ariko. Sema kantu kakoba. Babone mayiti cyarimwe. Irangije etonga urutoki imbere. Atunga imbere. Yewe. Yarasakuje. Irangije arabura. Muzi murabura. Muzi murabura. Oya tangira kwirukanga. Muzi muzirabura.
We need to do an emergency.
Ubare kintu kiri emergency. Mutangana murandinga. Ibi ni byanyabyo. Ibiki byanyabyo.
Storm clears up.
Nago twarandinga naho rose turabanyije bari kunasi ku kibuga cy'indege.
Alice, what's going on?
Alice ni biki byambere. Umuzimu uri mu ndege yafashwe n'abazimu.
Again with this?
Aho umukobwa yasaze cyangwa. Nago indege yaba haunted.
We're all tired.
No.
Ndabisura rushe.
What do you need to...
Mugerageze munyuma mutakana murandinga indege. Kubera ko abazimu bari muri indege. Ndabinyiza mutakana mu pariki indege. Nandi mutaka muyipora mare muje muyibandike. Ariko mutaka mubandike indege. Mbasheri wihangayika. Doshigera minota 95. Ubwo ni sana 35.
Pure jeopardy.
Indege mwayibanditse mubandike indege mutaka mu pariki. Nago indege bayiparike randinga.
Storm's been on us since takeoff.
Storm imeze nabi nacyo twagufasha. Nahandi twaja.
Would you listen to yourself?
Hebi numukobwa arimo arama indege yabaye haunted.
Superstitious.
Bakiraha arukinjiye muri uyu. Wahundi Jacques. Ubwo kwihorera for revenge atanyavana magambo.
What did you say?
Avumwishinja.
Right.
Ahambura umukandara. Ryan subiza umukandara bana. Ryan. Kwihorera revenge. Yatakutwaye. Sasa rangara atakuwa usigaye atwaye. Beba filime sasa. Beba ngindagi ritwara. Tayari. Inde. Beba filime. Bitana tunagani menshi. Tayari. Beba ngindagi racurama. Beba ngindagi racurama. Abazimu bateye indege. Beba filime sasa. Nakubwira cyari mideya. The one and only. Umwite da premiere. Kuri YouTube yacu atebigano biryoshye. Isankara indege. Indege dore ngo yitwara. Reba kajagari mu ndege. Ryan ndekura. Ryan yabaye Ryan. Ryan akanda maso. Kaga teleka Alice. Indege dore ngo iracurama. Ona ndege sasa. Ona ndege. Vitu biko hapa. Misi bijube lakini ibintu bimezambe. Ibintu byazambye we. Tayari. Maniga yabaye haunted. Paundi wa air marshal yaraje aramufata. Yanarwa no gutunganya indege. Indege asubiza ku murongo ariko sinzi. Ya filime sasa. Hey. Utaryowe n'agasobane wajya kuri YouTube ukareba ibiganiro byacu biryoshye cyane. Kuri YouTube channel yacu twitwa Sankara da Premier. Nibe gukora subscribe.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, we lost it when the plane lost power.
Ndege bwa mbere yabuze umuriro dutumutwe. Ariko bitangiye kuzamba. Bigenze bitese. Ari cyamwicometse. Amaso yarabaye umukara yongera atungana arahwera. Tayari. Hey. Ay we mana. Mana. Shiri. Hey. Nakubwiye YouTube channel yacu yitwa Sankara da Premier. Tayari. Kora subscribe. unatange comment utubwire ibyifuzo byawe ibyo ushaka ko tugukorera.
Alright.
Ryan umbabarire.
I don't know what the hell we just saw, but something's definitely wrong. We agree.
Ati mwabantu mwe sinzi ikintu twabonye ntakibonye nawe mwakibonye ariko sinzi icyo ari cyo nababwira cyo. Iyi ndege harimo ikibazo.
On that, right?
Kandi zero kumwe ariko mubyemeza. Bose bakiboneye rimwe. Iyi ndege ifite ikibazo.
I mean, you said there's something physically wrong with the plane, right?
No, not anything that's going to cause hallucinations or visions.
Kuko biri kose ikintu kiri muri iyi ndege kimwe cyatuma babona ibintu bidahari bakabona ibintu bidahari.
I don't know what would cause us to see the things we saw.
None se turamenya icyateye bino bintu turimo turabona ari igiki.
Okay, well, let's start from the beginning.
Kaduhera byatangiriye.
Storm started soon after takeoff. Pre-check was fine. Luggage was.
Turumva inkubi y'umuyaga y'ikirere yatangiye aho twamariye gupakira ibintu ariko tukiri kujya henda dupakira imizigo. Ibintu byari bimeze neza.
Mr. Peck in 25A.
Rwose twamaze guhaguruka.
Mr. Peck, he claimed that he saw something unusual.
Uriya musore Peck yavuze ko abonye ibintu bidasanzwe. Bavuga ko ngo yanyweye bya kitapimpa marijuana.
Off and then he got
agiye mu bwiherero nabwo yabonye ibintu bidahari.
I know what I saw in the bathroom was
weird. Nabonye muri bathroom byari ibyanyabyo. Narebye muri miruwari mbona umugore utwite. Utari kubona ikintu cy'umura ataragenya.
I couldn't get the door unlocked.
Nibwo umuryango wananze gufunguka.
It felt like it was being held from the inside.
Ikibazo cy'Imana indani rero.
Oh, I mean, there's nothing physically.
Ariko rwose mindani nta kintu kiri physically.
We lost power and we fell.
And then the food was spoiled.
Wasanga cyagiye umuriro wagendaga ari ibintu byamenetse.
Earbuds.
Je numvisha umudamu arimo arasakuriza muri ekuteri zanjye. Ambwira ngo umwicanye ngo kwihorera ngo bikomeze. Asakuza cyane.
Scream what?
Asakuza avuga ngo iki?
At first it was whispers.
Gambere abanje kumeze nk'uvugiriza. Uriya sakuri yongera.
Said murder.
Akajya avuga mada ubwicanyi.
That's when my phone stopped working.
Nibwo telefone zarekeye gukora.
Mine too.
Naye telefone yanjye yavuyeho. Narezi kari yanjye gusa kumene zanyu zavuyeho.
Screen.
Je screen yanjye yabanje gukwama.
A sonogram.
A what?
Cyangwa ni sonogram.
Can you take pictures of babies?
Jeneri manda foto y'umubebe uri mu nda.
You're a pregnant lady?
Mbona umugore utwite.
And then Ryan going crazy and attacking Jack.
Nuko bantu batajya gusera Ryan yataka Jack. Umuzimu winjiye muri Ryan.
And murder on the outside of your window.
We murebe hanze. Muhanda kwizijana mbona kwanditseho ngo mada. Ubwicanyi. Nakubwicanyi.
So, what are we looking for?
Ubu rero twibaza turashaka iki?
Start.
Turatangirira he?
From around here somewhere.
Ko biri kose ibintu biri hano mu ndege.
Well, it all started in the front of the plane.
Ako biri kose byatangiriye mu ndege.
But I already checked the bathroom though.
And we've been up there most of the flight.
Tukibaza na mbere ko indege yaguruka byagenze bite?
That wouldn't explain the phones or the overhead bins.
Tubibaza amatelefoni yabanje kwama mbere ya byose.
Or what happened in the cockpit.
Hanyuma sandi byagenze bite? Mwana twaraburije.
Guys, okay, listen. We just need to find the source to what
Dukeneye kuba twamenya source y'ibintu byatangiriye.
the hell is going on right now.
Umbano Ryan yarakangutse.
Ryan.
Ryan yarakangutse. Ryan eba muhambiri. Yewe ndi yeki.
That's on purpose, kid.
Mwana mutiyangane.
You attacked Jack.
Watatse Jacques mugenzi wawe.
Crazy.
Hanyuma mwana wari wasaze.
Wait, no, why would I do that?
Mwana niyo mpamvu satuma nataka mugenzi wanjye. Ntago heroine cyari kikurimo. Ntago reba mwatatse.
For all of us, but there
Iri joro ryatubereye ribi kuri twese.
has to be a perfectly reasonable
Ariko ko biri kose ari impamvu ituma tubona ibintu bidahari, tubona abazimu.
explanation for all of
Dukeneye rero umuntu adusobanurira ibiri by'abiri n'ibiki.
Many places to look.
Dusaka indege yose rero.
If not the cabin,
Wasanga atari hano, wasanga ari ababeka imizigo.
what else is there?
Wasanga harimo ibintu bya nyabingi bapakiye mu ndege birimo biratuzonga.
And now we have that word written on his window.
Ibintu byatangiriyemo indani none tubonye ijambo ryanditse ku kirahure.
Yeah, but we can't check outside in the wing right now.
Ntabwo twajya hanze y'idirishya. Ibibazo biri mu ndege ndani. Wow, no, Marshall.
Is there anything on board that's out of the ordinary?
Mwareka tukareba ibintu mwapakiye mu ndege byose.
Nothing that I know of.
Ibyo ntacyo mbiziho.
Special packages from museums, no.
None se nta bintu mwapakiye nk'ibintu bya kera baba babimura muri mize.
Dead soldiers being transported.
Urabona nko muri mize hari igihe bafite nk'amagufwa y'abantu bapfuye, ibintu by'utubindi bacuraguriragamo.
Home from Afghanistan.
Ibintu byavuye muri Afghanistan.
What do you say?
Uravuga ibiki?
I mean, objects could be conduit for spirits.
Bashaka kuba barafashe nk'ibintu byabaga muri mize y'ahantu bifite imyuka byikoreye. Bakabishyira mu ndege ikabihura n'ikibazo.
Okay, so if there's nothing on the manifest, what?
Niba nta kintu twabonye dupakira ibintu mu ndege kuri manifest.
What were you saying?
Harya bavugaga ngo iki?
When?
Iki?
When you said you fell through the floor, where did you go?
Harya igihe wikubita gasi uri mu bwiherero wagiye he?
The cargo hold, I think. Why?
Nabonye amwe apakira imizigo none nibonye nishidutse ndi. Kubera.
I saw that too.
Nibyo nabibonye ubwo nikubitaga hasi.
Back against the seat.
Nabonye nikubita imbere yaho nari nicaye ariko nkabona ndahano mu mizigo. Baby.
There was someone there and
ubwo nikubitaga hasi nabonye ari umuntu arundi ruhande.
I felt like they needed my help.
Ariko nabonaga bonasa nabafite ubufasha bwanjye. Kombe dore ganja planta.
Brian, there's something happened.
Uwo muntu buryo yavugaga asa nk'ari ikintu kibi cyamubayeho. Something bad.
We have to go down there.
Abo tujya hasi aho babika imizigo.
Having visions of
kwari mpamvu twese turabona ibintu bimwe kandi tukabona ibintu bidahari. Twese tukanagwa hasi tukisanga turi ahantu hamwe.
The luggage.
Mu mizigo rata mu mizigo. Bajya mu mizigo.
Speak up.
Ngaho vuga.
The luggage. I don't know what's going on, but it isn't going to solve anything. He
said
we need
ourselves.
There's something to do with this. You are in a big world of hurt. Do you understand?
How? You tied me and put me.
Cut him loose.
Muhambure umusore ararengana. Twamuhambire tuzi ko ari umusazi. Ariko turana ko ari ikibazo rusange.
Bathroom. Miss, would you happen to have any scissors? Please.
Atiracho munzanira umukasi tureko ari kuntu twamuhambura. Bamuhereza umukasi. Zana umukasi hakuno.
Don't make me regret this.
Wachana udatuma nicuza kuba ngiye kugwambura. Nati naburi bwicuza. Bana shimwe.
Okay. Here's what's going to happen next.
Yara mwumva bikurikira.
We're going to go back to your seats.
Bana mwese musura myanya yanyu.
I'm sorry.
Ara bari bujya hasi barebe iyo mizigo.
Go down to cargo.
Bana munamere ko yajya mu mizigo.
Do you want this to come to an end or not? Because I got
wa mukobwa ko muzangu kujya mu mizigo ushaka ibintu birangije cyane birangire.
Cover all my bases here.
Dushire ko twamenya ibintu byatangiriye.
I'm going with you.
Turajyana. Sheri.
Not going with me.
Na hanu ibuje.
No. It was speaking to me.
Yichi diamond twavuganye. Nakibonye.
Gonna sit up here and wait for someone.
Yago nakujana ngo nagenda ko kirugaruka ngo kinzongo.
Else to figure it out.
Genda jyayo ngo bakwe cyari cyo. Ndagenda.
You're not going.
Nahujya rero. Naye ndagenda.
Let's get back to my wife and my.
Nanyira ina ninje muri ndajya kujya nsanga umuryango wanjye uri n'umugore wanjye. Nago rero bamwe ngo ari cyazo musinyijemo.
I'm gonna help you. I have your 6 men.
Mwana njye nkuri inyuma. I have your 6.
Doing my job right now.
Yo mwana akora akazi kanje kanje. Amasho.
You stay here.
Sheri guma hano.
And I'm gonna go with the marshal.
Yakanje na ba masho.
Please stop.
Yes, murekere. Mungurikire kwanza, mungurikire. Bava mu byo guharira. Bintu byandagenda urasigara baragenda abahamagara bose. Bakiraho namajwi mwumvara. Bazana baca bajya mu mizigo.
You guys are gonna have to be quick.
You can't see me.
Nezere ko ibyo mukora mubikora vuba vuba.
Strong enough.
Mugire vuba mwihute gusa. Okay. Fata gatoroshi. Naruja mwumva ruborogara. Ntacyo mwumvishe. Umve. Mwana rirakaza muzangira mu bandi ibyo nikira.
Baby.
Numvishe ijwi ry'umwana. Ndani. Ndasa nabona amaraso menshi.
Guys, what's happening?
Jere bikira.
I thought I saw something, but it's gone.
Bonye ikintu kimeze nk'aho inda yavuyemo. Bonye ibintu bidasanzwe. Yagize gutsara ngo nabuye ariko se. Mbere yabo. Hey.
This is bad.
Ni bibi cyane. Datawe. Hey. Fora ariko. Barabona ibintu bidahari. Maneke jya gucomona. Urasa ngaho yabyaye. Nangije. Abana America code. Kurikiza amaso.
Hey, Austin, wanna grab that?
Kirimo kirajya mu bikapu komeza imbere. Baje mu bikapu. harimo ikindanira
Guys,
babandi babonamo udufoto twinshi tw'abakobwa bagiye bapfa, babonamo inyundo.
That's blood.
Binekira ni amaraso gusa, babonamo ibintu bimeze nk'aho banza ari umwicanyi ruharwa kabisa. Harimo na za souvenir, harimo n'imisatsi, amafoto agiye atandukanye.
Where's the woman that ran towards us and disappeared?
Hasi umugore watwatagaye hehe?
Holy Mary, Mother of God, that's her.
Mana nyagasani Bikira Mariya wi.
Bag belongs to someone on the plane.
Uko biri rwose igikapu ni cy'umuntu urimo hano mu ndege.
Okay, whose bag is this?
Yaba ari uwe mwicanyi rero. Igikapu ni icyande. Sasa buri gikapu ku kibuga cy'indege yashyira etikete kandi cy'amazina ya nyiri igikapu ndetse na nimero ya passport. Ntabwo bishoboka. Ntabwo bishoboka kumbe pilot yako. Pilot uko twaye. Pilot ari kurya inyu naseka. Pilot yarariwe arabaje hakuno. Babonye etikete bamwashyira kuri manifest. Kanyiri igikapu bazana n'igikapu. Who that? Iki gikapu cyuzuyemo udufoto tw'abakobwa bagiye bicwa benshi, babicaga bafotora baca mu baturage. Kumbe Ryan nawe hafungiye. Kwa pilot baragana urukapu. Wakomeje gucika usanga utazi bijya mbere. Bamwakaye mu bantu hano ntwarira indege masho.
I don't know if you've noticed, but I'm flying this plane by myself.
Yo mama biziko ntwaye indege n'inyange na mwakaye muza guteza akavuyo. Ejo ni riri.
This right here.
Nago rema turi hano.
Do what?
Uzimamvu turi hano. Bavana yo bwa bufoto. Aba nabagore wishe cyangwa.
Murdered.
Jenishe. Arabasika.
Murdered.
Jenishe.
You serious?
Manu seriya cyangwa.
What?
Wewe bivuga umuntu mwanda.
That?
Ahubwo imbwira nabi.
Whatever you think's going on.
Akazi ndimo nibiri kujya mbere ntabwo ubibona.
But I'm sure you know protocol.
Hano mna kuza protocol.
I'm not going to be able to follow protocol right now.
Ntabwo baje kwakurya protocol ko ntabwo nibwo agahenge.
What is this?
Nabano bantu bari mu ndege ntabwo agahenge.
Just on the ground.
Reka maze ngere hasi.
Wait till we're on the ground. No.
Reka maze ndandinga indege tonde uje guserera.
where did you get these?
Ebi wabikuye he? Amafuta yabona bana abakobwa ba.
What is this?
Bana nyaga ibi nicyo ariko.
What's wrong with you people? I don't know.
Mwasaze cyangwa.
Lie to me. What did you do?
Imbesha.
What did you do to her face?
Bano bana mwabona bishe cyangwa.
Women in these photographs are the same women.
Aya mafoto turimo turajya tubona. Nabo bana abantu bari marage nabona muri iyi ndege.
In your bag.
Ubundi ne gutamba amafoto yageze mu gikapu cyawe niba atari ibyawe. Jack. Captain.
These aren't my.
Naga amafoto yanjye. Kane munyizeri. Uri murabeshya cyangwa batakumbunda. Maniga. Nani nachurika indege? Churika indege bature. Dupfane za chindi zibaruke. Dore ngara iporomora bugare. Dore ngara iporomora butosho. Aya. Tayari? Dore ngindege iracurama. Aya katurore. Ara ricinje muri kananga. Mugire vuba mwihorere. Afata n'undi muntu. Tayari. Diamond inje muri kananga. Diamond inje muri kamananga. Ati kwihorera. Agiye kumukubita Diamond muvamo. Indege na Diamond imuvamo yicomeka mu wundi. Diamond imeva muri umwe yicomeka mu wundi. Revenge kwihorera. Tayari nawe mucomokamo. Diamond yicomeka muri mwana wabona mamaji. Tayari nawe arashaka ko yica. Kwihorera. Araborogeje muri mwe kwihorera. Diamond muvamo. Yinwanga mu mukobwa. Kaka. Kwihorera. Sasa yakatana ndege. Diamond muvamo. Iza hakuno. Irakomeza. Yinwanga muri kagakobwa. Ka Daniela fata pilot. Bana pilot yarisha abakobwa benshi. Yateraga amadaka bivugana. Aya katurore. Anaga ka Alice ku ruhande. Akawe kashobotse. Ndege iracurama. Vice flight 666. Anachari midea da premier for really. business group egt.net. Haya, tayari ndege unda kure oyo yaratafata indege oyo atangira guhangana n'uyu mushyira hasi barayimutunga. Oyo arwana n'indege, Ryan arwana n'indege, Ryan yagaruye Kenji barongera isubiza mu nzira. Mugenzi ko yagahwereye Daniela.
Come on.
Sheri, mbanza Sheri bitagenze neza.
What happened?
Bigenze bite? Arapfuye cyangwa? Arangije amuvana yamuzana hakuno. Muhambiri. Umugabo sinzi yakoze ibiki.
I swear.
Ndarahira ntacyo nakoze.
Save it.
Ahubwo gabanya amagambo tuze. Ndege tayari. Ndege yaje mu mugaga. Indege yaje mu mugaga. Kwa mama nigashaka kwihambura.
What did you do?
Wakoze ibiki?
Don't know what you're talking about.
Ntago ibyo uvuga.
Yeah, I got it. I got you.
Rekura umudamu wa Brandon ajya gufasha ni mugenzi.
Tell me what you did!
Dore byakoze, ntacyo nakoze. Ayivanayo. Ahubwo umva ngubwire.
Now I will end you where you sit.
Ndashaka umbwira ibyo wakoze cyangwa urasira hano wicaye.
Nothing I did matters, okay?
Ibyo nakoze nta gaciro bifite. Austin.
Hey, none of it matters. You're gonna
ntago bingombwa.
Killed.
Come on.
Yes, rega n'umuntu murapfa.
Hey, come on.
No. Not everyone.
Ntago twese turi bupfe bro. Ntago twese tukapfa hejuru yawe. Nawe uri bupfe wenyine. Ndege! Birongera birazamba. Birongera birazamba. Mugabo arangije. Yivuga nawe ndi wa US Marshal. Arwana no kwihambura. Arimo aragenda. Atarabuja. Dore umuzimu nguravayo. Uteruye akana mu ntoki. Byagenze bite? Dore maninga ngo aratitira. Ndakunyizerekera. Arangije. Ntabwo wabikora. Mande zose. N'abakobwa gusa. Ntabwo amakosa ari ayanjye. Bwambere ntabwo nari mbigamije. Bwambere byari impanuka. Bwambere byabaye binungwe. Kumva abakobwa yagiye atera abakobwa mada. Baza kumbwira ko batwite akabivugana.
I was scared the first time.
Nari mfite ubwoba bwa mbere. Ntabwo nari niteguye kuba nabyara. Indani muri jye. Ukabivuga abo yicishije inyunda abo yateraguye ibyuma. Abo yakase imisatsi. Ya misatsi babonye mu gikapu. Bwari bice nabo yiciye muri pisine.
And no one would know.
Ni Jack.
Stop! I just...
Nani kutahagarara. Ndabinginze.
I'm sorry. Please.
Ndabinginze. Bakobwa nkasa. Niko nabihagarika. Niko nabihagarika. Ndabinginze mbabarire. Nta kintu nakoze. Ndakora buri kimwe. Abo yateye inda bakashaka kubazikuramo n'ikibazo bamuterurira abana baramuhereza. Agize gutya kumbe yivuyemo. Tangije. Wa mugabo we SA Marshal. Batangira guserera. Batangira kurwanira imbunda. Abaturage bose bamenye ukuri. Yarema aravuga ko mena n'umuzimu wari uhari. Bukarage Brandon nabaza gufasha. Brandon sheri. Fata ikigabo. Fata ikigabo. Kirakomeye. Kimutunga imbunda. Bararwana ariko. Kirakomeye. Barwanira kabunda. Jacques arakomeye. Birana amsenziwe. Afata Daniela. byose ari amakosa yanyu mwabasenzi mwe. Akiri aho aragangarara tangira kumva amajwi y'abana mu matwi. Dore urusaku ngo ruraza ari rwinshi, dore bose ngo barameneka amatwi. Akiri aho inyuma ye, sheri mon bébé sheri, oh sheri yamumenya amatwi biramusakuriza. Bana batangira kugarura ubwenge. Maniga rangije cyafashe ikiganza cyitonze, yitonze rwananwa saya ufa bas. Maniga yamaze kurasa abantu, nawe abona umuzimu we, yibona amubo yishe. Batangira kubona umurambo we, tangira kugeramo ubwoba, ariko n'ubundi nawe yamaze kugerayo, yamaze kugera mu bazimu. Dore nguriya mu kirere yaka. Bese mwifate, mwicare, mwifate. Abashoboye mwicare, mwambire umukanza. Byakomeye. Rangije bambara emisentiri. Dore ngikiri ikibuga. JFK Center ni ndege ya Japan US 57 irimo iraza. Hano nukuyiparika. Hey ayare mu Zimbabwe. Hano ni Puemuro San Vitesse hano. Hey ayare giri ya mumuji. Parika nabi tu. Ari ibintu ubona ukabona ko genda gonga iminara. Brother ndagufite. I got you. Ujanyane atari. I got you arya ngo I got you. Na gacu ari maravuga ni I got you. Ni cyongereza ajya cyumvikana muri cyaba America. Sheri I got you nawe. Ndege. Cyana matara. Cyana maremare. Cyane zindi ziri mu nzani zibona hari ikibaye. Ziba basha ku ruhande. Mwifate. Hano tangira gusenga ati yaba yaparika yarandikaga Nyabarongo. Ayare. Airot. Parking mbaya. Chabita crashing. Highway. Deje yara. Dani. Meze neza. Wakapfa urabona njye meze neza. Hey. Ntabwo byoroshye. Police. Bano zari ruhukije. Bashima Imana. Ariko mugenzi ndamuvuga ati nandi hagati y'urupfu. Umugabo yasomye impeta ye. Uyari inywere tujini twiwe. Yumvishe ubuduha bwa polisi amenya ko bageze ku butaka. It's okay. I got you. Ryan yari yahamutse. Mana jimwe sheri. rebera ikibuga. Oh. Imana ishimwe. Ndacyaga filime